with us today in the camp. She has come from BLK Max Super Specialty Hospital, New Delhi. We are grateful to the doctor. Doctor, we are highly thankful that you have come to the camp. And she is super specialist oncologist. She is doing some kind of test. She will tell more about the treatment that she is providing. Doctor, please tell us the kind of treatment that you are providing today.
Thank you. Yeah, so in this camp today we are doing a pap smear which is for screening of cervical cancer. Cervix is the second most common cancer in Indian females after breast cancer, and it is caused by human papilloma virus which is acquired through sexual intercourse. So HPV virus causes changes in the cervical cells if the body's immunity does not eliminate the virus in subsequent 2 years. So pap smear is a non-invasive test which is done on OPD basis. It is a painless test and it detects the changes caused by the HPV virus, and if we detect those changes in the pre-cancerous stage and treat them, then no Indian female will ever develop cervical cancer if it is treated in the pre-cancerous stage. So in this camp today we are doing pap smear free of cost to screen for cervical cancer.
Thank you, Doctor. And one thing more, how many patients have been seen by you? Has any patient been detected with any problem as well?
I have seen around 20 to 25 patients since morning today and have advised them pap smears. Around 15 pap smears have already been done. Clinically, on examination of the cervix, I have not yet found any suspicious or any abnormality.
And Doctor, there is a fear in the people that people do not come forward for this kind of test. They think that there might be some tests and it could be harmful to them. Is it so?
Actually, there is lack of awareness in the masses. The lack of education is prevailing. They feel that it would be a painless test, and what they feel is that we don't have any discharge. So why should we come forward for a test? They do not understand the importance of the test, that this is a screening test which is required in healthy population, and cervical cancer is the only cancer which is preventable through this test.
And Doctor, is there any age group where people are more victim to this kind of disease?
The age range of cervical cancer is firstly between 35 to 40 years of age, and the second peak is between 55 to 60 years of age. But this pap smear screening is recommended in all sexually active and married females between 21 to 65 years of age every 3 yearly. And along with the pap smear, nowadays HPV test is also coming up. Once we do an HPV test, then the difference or the time interval between two normal tests increases to 5 years. So it is important that every female between 21 to 65 should get herself screened with pap smear for screening of cervical cancer.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much for coming to our camp, and Rotary Club of Sonipat Arden expresses its gratitude, and we hope that you would also keep coming in case we need you to again.
Yeah, sure. My pleasure. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.